happy little trees. Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I would like to welcome you to the first episode of the Joy, Tool, and Safety series. I would like to thank you for inviting me into your home to go over the tool safety. So I tell you what, let's have it graphically run across the screen all the tools we will be discussing and using this semester, starting with the X-Acto knife and working all the way around. While they are doing that, let's go over here and talk. I'm going to start off today with some facts about the dangers behind using tools in an unsafe manner. Hand tools cause thousands of injuries every year. Some tool-related injuries cause death. Hundreds of people die each year due to tool-related injuries. Although it's difficult to get excited about tool safety, it is extremely important. Tool safety must be exercised anytime anyone uses them. Everyone uses tools at work and at home. Although in this video we cannot go over every possible scenario, we will be going over the basics of tools we will be using this semester. You will need to set up a workspace with a scrap piece of cardboard. This allows us a safe place to work with our tools without damaging the surfaces of our furniture or room. Once we have that ready, let's go ahead and discuss the importance of tool safety. One of the most important tool safety tips is to have a good safety attitude. Be aware of your tool, yourself, and your surroundings. Practice good safety behavior by using your best judgment and no shortcuts. Follow the rules established by the school and your teacher. Be prepared to prevent. Position of you, your limbs, and your tool is key to tool safety. To make sure we always see those happy little trees, make sure you wear eye protection. X-Acto knives are extremely sharp and should not be thrown around. Always make sure you place the cap back over the blade when you are done. When you are done with the tool, make sure to place it in a safe and secure location. Never cut cardboard or other materials with an X-Acto knife or box cutter without cardboard underneath. To keep your furniture and surfaces safe, place cardboard underneath any material you are cutting with an X-Acto knife or box cutter. This keeps everything, including your parents, happy. Do not use your X-Acto knife as a weapon to stab things or people. If you must remove the X-Acto knife blade in order to replace it with a new blade, simply twist the top of the handle until the blade is removed. Place a new blade in the slot and then twist back to secure the blade in place. When using X-Acto knives or box cutters to cut materials, always make sure you position your body away from the cut. The blade should never face you. Position your hands and fingers slightly above and away from the cut. To unplug your hot glue gun, pull the cord out by grabbing the head of the plug, not the cord. Never leave a hot glue gun on without a scrap piece of cardboard underneath to catch any excess glue. And never touch the metal tip of the hot glue gun. Touching this will cause severe burns. Let's take a moment and appreciate our surroundings. Oh, who do we have here? It's a happy little kitty. Hi, kitty cat. What are you doing? Just enjoying some natural green grass? Look how happy she is. I wonder what she's thinking. I wonder how it tastes. That's a nice kitty cat. So happy. Can you hear her purrs? Well, let's get back to our program and talk more about tool safety. When using scissors to cut out designs, make sure to never draw your visuals in the center of your material. This is a waste of supplies. Never use just the tip of the scissors to cut. This will hinder your craftsmanship. Always draw your objects along the edges of your materials. Cut along the edges by opening the scissors wide to allow the material to be cut closest to the joint. This allows you more control of your cuts. Do not use your ruler as a sword or weapon to hurt people. Rulers are made to measure and assist with straight edges and lines. You may use the ruler as a guide for your X-Acto knife or box cutter. Just make sure your fingers are above and away from the blade. Whenever you need to apply glue, never apply directly to your skin or clothing, as it may result in chemical burns. Apply glue to corners, along edges, and in the center of the smallest pieces. Always ensure the cap is tightly replaced after each use. Tool safety. It's that easy. Exercise good safety attitude when you create your sculptures this semester. After you're done construction, upload your project to Schoology. Let us hear from you. Until then, from all of us here, I'd like to wish you a happy sculpt and God bless, my friends.